The ocean we often take for granted is slowly losing its life. Beneath the vast blue waves, a silent crisis is unfolding. No explosions, no loud alarms, yet millions of marine lives are disappearing, and the balance of our planet is at stake. Overfishing, the practice of catching fish faster than they can reproduce, has become one of the greatest threats to our oceans. In the past, fishermen took only what they needed to survive. Their tools were simple, their methods sustainable, and the ocean thrived. But today, massive industrial ships equipped with enormous nets sweep entire sections of the ocean clean, leaving devastation in their wake. Small fish, large fish, even dolphins, turtles, and other marine creatures are trapped and killed in these nets. This is not fishing anymore. It is ocean robbery. The scale of the problem is staggering. According to the United Nations, nearly 90% of the world's fish stocks are either fully exploited or dangerously overfished. Iconic species such as tuna, cod, and swordfish have declined by up to 70% in just the past 50 years. The consequences extend far beyond the loss of individual species. This is a global food crisis that threatens millions of people who rely on the ocean for nutrition and livelihood. The disappearance of one species triggers a domino effect that devastates the entire marine ecosystem. Predators like dolphins and seabirds struggle to find food, while coral reefs lose the delicate balance that allows them to survive. The collapse of marine life reverberates beyond the ocean, affecting coastal communities whose economies have depended on fishing for generations. Millions of fishermen around the world are losing their livelihoods, and small villages that once thrived along the coast are slowly disappearing, their cultures and traditions eroded. The causes of this disaster are complex and widespread. Giant industrial fishing corporations harvest the ocean on an unprecedented scale, often ignoring laws and regulations. Illegal fishing operations cross international borders under the cover of darkness, taking fish from the waters of poorer nations. Weak governance and lax enforcement allow these practices to continue unchecked, and the world often remains silent while the ocean is plundered. Yet there is hope. Some countries have begun taking serious measures to restore balance to the seas. Marine protected areas, where fishing is strictly regulated or entirely banned, have shown remarkable results. In just a few years, fish populations in these areas have doubled, demonstrating the resilience of nature when given a chance to recover. Organizations around the world are advocating for sustainable fishing practices, encouraging businesses and consumers alike to make choices that do not harm marine life. These efforts show that even in the face of overwhelming destruction, change is possible. Each of us has a role to play in protecting the oceans. Reducing seafood consumption, choosing sustainably sourced fish, and raising awareness about overfishing are small but significant steps. By refusing to stay silent, we can make a tangible difference. Without action, future generations may only encounter the ocean through books, never experiencing its vibrancy firsthand. The ocean demands nothing from us except a little respect and mercy. If we act today, it can continue to support life on Earth for generations to come. If we ignore this crisis, the silence of the ocean will become the loudest warning we ever hear. Every voice counts, every choice matters, and together, humanity can restore the oceans before it is too late. The oceans are the lungs of our planet, producing half of the oxygen we breathe and absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide. When we allow overfishing to continue unchecked, we endanger not only marine life, but the very systems that regulate our climate. Protecting the oceans is inseparable from protecting human life itself. The story of overfishing is a call to action. It reminds us that every decision matters, every fish counts, and every voice has the power to make change. By embracing sustainable practices, supporting conservation initiatives, and spreading awareness, we can ensure that the oceans remain vibrant, teeming with life, and capable of sustaining generations to come. The ocean asks nothing from us except a little mercy. It is our responsibility to act before it is too late. If we protect it today, it will continue to protect us. If we ignore it, its silence will become the loudest scream, a warning that humanity can no longer ignore.